So I hired a homeless guy to build me a mailbox. I didn't realize it would resemble a doghouse, but it's incredibly well constructed. I think, though, he might have a problem with literacy. We can fix that, but he gets an A for effort. This is the best built mailbox that I've ever seen in my life. I can actually crawl in it and fit. But literacy, man, literacy.